In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your images black and white here in Canva. Now there's multiple reasons why you may want to do this, and there's a few different ways that we can actually do this here in Canva. So I have this image just here of this dog with long hair. Now to turn this black and white, there's three different options. So what we want to do is come up to Edit Photo. Then we can click on Adjust, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then we can play around with the saturation. So if we turn this all of the way down like that, we now have our black and white image. Now another way to do this is by coming up to Effects, scrolling all the way down to Filters just here, clicking on See All, scrolling all the way down to where we have this mono just here, and we have a few different options. We can choose from Classic, Ink, Noir, Film, Newspaper and Slate. So if we click on one of these, we now have another option with the intensity, where if you decrease, you're going to put more colour onto the image. And it's the same with all of these. But this is just another way that you can turn your images black and white. Now let's go back to here, let's choose none, and now let me show you the last way. Now the last way is by using the old Canva editor. So what we're going to do is scroll down to here to where it says you're using the new photo editor. To use the old, click here. Now if we click on here and revert to the old editor, then click on Edit Image, scroll all the way down to this filters just here, click on See All, and then we have these two different options. One being grayscale, so if we click on that, our image is black and white, and then the second option is by using street, which is probably one of my favourites. But that's just how easy it is to make your images black and white here in Canva. Now if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it does really help out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, then click right here and watch this playlist.